Hello everyone, this is now week 4 and this is just your support movie. For this week we're going to be talking about reliability, validity, norm reference assessments, the Wyatt 3 and the Woodcock-Johnson 4. I have your PowerPoint. Remember that might be revised all the way up until class. Once I get your papers to grade, I will add a few more slides, but this gives you at least an idea of what we're going to be looking at. The other thing is it is 55 slides because I have both the Wyatt and the Woodcock-Johnson support slides in this PowerPoint, so it is rather long. One of the things that I wanted to point out to you was the Kia, Campbell, Watley, and Bratton article that I have attached here, and so in addition to the reading, I would like you to read this article. Here is the article. It's on Culturally Responsive Assessment for African American Students with Learning and Behavioral Challenges. It's a good article, fairly easy to read, and just goes through, what does it look like to assess the whole child, and just also has some good ideas about non-discriminatory evaluation, the pre-referral system, adapting the assessments, etc. So please read that article this week as well. I think it will help you in your understanding and also your application. For this week, Activity 4 has just got 5 questions. The first one is, what will you do to prepare yourself and your student for completing the norm reference assessments? How will you juggle giving prompts, recording responses, following the rules, and writing qualitative data during the testing? And then I want you to write a sentence or two about the Woodcock-Johnson 4. So, of course, you are going to include the type of test, the age that it's normed for, the subtests that are included, and also I want you to let me know if you're going to be administering the Woodcock-Johnson 4 or the Wyatt 3, and are you going to do the RAP 4 or the Brigance? Also, if your school site uses a different assessment than these, you can ask for permission to use the assessment that they use. So just let me know what that is, bring it into me, and I will talk to you about that, but that is an option. The big ideas that we're going over this week are around reliability and validity and how those affect our testing. So I've got 2 questions about that. I want you to describe 3 ways you'll increase your reliability and 3 ways you'll increase your validity. So in the textbook, they have sections and they have about 6 to 10 ways to increase reliability and how to increase validity. So I want you to use those specific examples and then say how you would do that in your school site setting. And then finally, I want to know how you like the textbook. How is it supporting your learning? And also, how confident do you feel about administering these tests? And if there is something that I can do, please let me know because I would like to support you. A lot of times it's just around practice. So, if you don't live near the university, then one of the things that we can do always is we can do a video conference and practice the assessments as well. So anyway, and you can, of course, check them out. You can borrow them. Just getting more comfortable with them is a really powerful thing. So please keep me posted on what supports you would need to do that. Let me see. Is there anything else here's the PowerPoint. You'll be reading chapter 6 for homework, reading the article, doing activity 4, and then, here we go. Oops. Found a mistake on the, on the PowerPoint. This is by March 3rd that you need to have the assessments done. So there we go. I think that's it. And once again, if you have any questions or need any support, I am here for you.